We're back. it's just gonna be chill. My little. Oh, where they going? I wanna see where they going. You can go all the way back in my room with Coco. Dang. What up, boy? Oh, don't you dare let go. Coco! Coco! Coco, look at the camera, Coco! And he's off. There. Stupid boy.
You gonna let him go?
That was Avery.
Oh
my god.
Get along.
No, I'm walking. Bad guy. Avery.
You see the dog outside already?
No,
Took it outside. I already took it outside.
Oh yeah, he's like, go! Hey. You ain't going in there.
Get away from the door.
Come on, boy. That was just my daddy. You gotta hold the... No! You gotta hold the dog. You gotta hold his leash. You're really bad at this, though. You're really bad at this. And, he's getting. So, we'll see you when I put the leash back in his hand. Okay, we're back. I put the leash back in his hand. Oh my gosh. He's about to get really smushed. Okay. Hey, how fast did you go? Dude. Oh my! That's my dad. Just a doggy and they're all up in here. Okay. Hey. Avery. Take this stupid leash. So, guys, that's gonna end this video. Coco, shut up. Say bye. Say bye. Not you. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye.